everybody. I'm going to give you some information on quartiles and 5-number summaries. This is for Matric Math Lit. Right, we're going to look at a data set with 7 pieces of data. I'm going to look at how you find quartiles. Firstly, find your median. So we have 7 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this number happens to be the middle value. So we're going to ring that, and that is quartile 2, or the median. Now we look at the bottom set of values, and we see there are 3 values, so there is a middle value, that is 3, and that is quartile 1. And if we look at the top set of values, we see 3, and there is quartile 3. So if we want to make a 5-number summary, we would want the minimum, quartile 1, the median, or quartile 2, quartile 3, and the max. And these would be, the minimum is 1, quartile 1 is 3, quartile 2, or the median, is 7, quartile 3 is 10, and the max is 11. Now if we want to look at the spread of the data, we see the range is the maximum minus the minimum, it equals 10, and your interquartile range is then quartile 3 minus quartile 1, which is 10 minus 3 equals 7. Range and interquartile range show the spread of the data. The range is going to be affected by any extreme values or outliers. The interquartile range is unaffected by extreme values and shows you the spread of the middle 50% of the data. What we see now with a quartile, it divides our data into quarters. So we have 25% of the, let's say these were results on a test, then 25% of the results are between the minimum and 3. 25% of the results lie between 3 and 7. 25% of the results lie between 7 and 10. And 25% of the results lie between 10 and the max. The middle 50% of the values lie between 3 and 10. Let's look at a different number of values in a data set, such as 8. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 numbers, and let's look how an even number of values will affect the finding of quartile 2, or the median. Of course, there'll be 2 values in the middle, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are the 2 values in the middle, and I'm going to use them to find the middle value. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 is clearly the middle value here, and that is my quartile 2, or median. Now, although the 3 and 5 were used to find 4, they are not actually quartile 2. Neither of them is actually quartile 2. So the 3 is still part of the lower data set. The 5 is still part of the higher data set. So to find the middle here, there are 2 numbers in the middle, 2 and 3. So quartile 1 would be 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. That is quartile 1. And 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And so quartile 3 is 8. So here I have a minimum of 1, a quartile 1 of 2, 5, a quartile 2 or median of 4, quartile 3 of 8, and a max of 10. My range is 10 minus 1 equals 9. My interquartile range is 8 minus 2, 5, which equals 5, 5. Thank you.